Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, December the 19th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 Jigsaw Sudokus. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cyber block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. News of today, well, there's a huge mass graves discovered in Syria with hundreds of thousands bodies. Yes. So the regime of Assad, the former president of Syria, yeah, has killed those enemies or people, 100,000. Cannot believe this. And a mass graves, yes. All right. The first puzzle, 9771, 9771. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. 3 stars puzzles has always 25. This one has 26. 1 digit more should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is it a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 1. Okay. How about 6 and 3? The 2 here. Need an 8 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 3, 8, 6. 8, 3, 6, 1. Okay. Come on. 5, 7. Need a 5 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and a 1. We have a 5 and a 1 in this column. So no 5 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. 5 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 1, 5 and a 1. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1. 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, 2 in the column next. So the last column, there are only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, there are only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8, okay. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the last column. 1 of the missing numbers 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 5 in the last column should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in the last column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. Then 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row, there are only 3 places left of the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 in the second column, no 3 there. The only place left of the 3 should be there. 3. Okay, and now we have 2 there. 9, 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so the third row, the only place level 6, should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for those, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then, let me see. So we have 1 digit left. One digit left. In this row. Wait. Yeah. In this row, 1 digit left. Should be the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing here. So we need the 6 there. The 6 there. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have 1 and a 6 in this big square, so no 1 and a 6 in this box. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, the 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in the middle of a number. I believe the 9, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then, 2. Come on. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 in the row above, no 3 there. The only place left for 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 3. Need 6 there also. 1 in the last column, third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column 3. In the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 in the row above, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Then, which number can I pick? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 9. Yeah, these 3 missing numbers in this big square are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. It means 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7. 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other 3 missing numbers in this big square are numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9. Okay. 2 in the third row. 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in the last row, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 and 8, we have 8 now in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 8. Okay, and now 4. Need a 4 there. Need a 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. And looking for 9 in this row. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 9 in this big square. Should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so it'll come next. Now only 2 places left. 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number, I believe, 4, 7, 9. This we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing here. That means 4, 7, 9. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 9. Need to wait. 6, 7, 9. 6 and the 9 we have here in this column. So no 6 and 9 in this box. 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left to be the 7. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so last row, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. So 2 numbers, wait, 1 number left in this row, I believe the 9, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Here, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here, 4 goes there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place left, the 4 should be there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 box left now in this row. Leave the 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between. Only place left, 6 should be here. 6 and a 9, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here, 4 goes there. 30 minutes, well, we solve it again, Is this really a 3 stars puzzle? Well, don't think so. Not a 2, not a 1, should be a 0 stars. And faster than 13 minutes. I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.